Let's start set. Hello, good evening from Season Makers India. So today we are live with our latest sets. Yes, 2 days ago I was in live with the latest collection of earrings, and today I'm going to show you the collection of sets we are having. So I'm going to start the live. I'm requesting those who are with us for the live, they can share our post, and of course let us know that the how the designs are. Let me start showing you the designs. Here's the first design. This is the look of the design. It's tremendously modern and trendy. The style of this necklace is you need to uh, uh, you know then you need to fix it. That's it. And you can wear it very easily with earrings. It is available with colors also. Stylish and very modern type of zircon sets, durable and with quality. Here I am showing you the full gold plating with white stones. If you have any kind of color requirements, yes, you can you know that we are manufacturers, color is no issues. Whatever the color you want, you can get. I'm going to show you the earrings also with it. This is the earring. Again I'm showing you, you need to stretch it out, and from the back you can wear it like this, so it will be easier for you. First set of today's, very modern and classic. Here you can get color options. As I told you before, I am going to show you few colors. I am showing you one silver of it. Here is the silver. You can say here some stone colors are there. Aqua color stones attached it with the jewelry. Very rare color and very classic, silver color. All the colors are available in this particular set, and the price is almost in the range of $40 to $45. This is an approx price. I'm going to show you the next design. It is a classic set. It is the range of our classic set with a pendant. Very modern. I'm showing you all the modern collections today, very trendy collections today. Here you can see the set with a big pendant here, and this is also having a earrings just like this pendant, triangular shaped earring. Here is the earrings of this particular set. We are always telling you that we are having the best quality jewelries with us of zircon. I am showing the back. This is full gold plated. Hello Shumita, we are from India. We are from West Bengal. Where are you from? At that particular set you can get the color options. As I always told to my customers that we are having, for all the sets we are having the color options. One more set. This is the set with full silver. Back is rhodium plated. Okay, you can get the earrings with it, and also the colors you can get. So again I'm telling all my customers, to all my clients, that we resumed to work those who are having any requirements for zircon jewelry, those who are having any requirement for wholesale, just have a knock to us. You need to ping us, message us. Our WhatsApp number is there on the upper section, so you can directly message me. We will communicate with you for your requirements. Here is one of our best seller set in 2019. The most pieces of this sets we sold out, not in India, not in Africa, in UK, in US, in all over the world. This particular set has a good demand. It is just like you can say a simple party wear set. If I can show you, this is the look of the set, and it is really pretty and amazing. Hello sis, hello hon, hope you are doing well. This particular necklace is having earrings with it. Is very trendy and traditional also, and having good response, good big stones with it. I'm showing you on a mask. And this particular necklace is having stud earrings, just like this pendant. Shumita, you are living in UK, but Shumita, our deliveries have started, and we started delivering to US, UK, everywhere, even in African countries also. So this is the silver of that particular set. This is the look of the set with full silver. One of our best selling design. Next, বড় গুলো কিছু দেখা না So here my fourth design is a little big party wear set and having color options. I am showing you the rhodium with blue right now. This is one of amazing designs. Here I am going to show you by wearing it in my neck. You can get a chain with it. So this is the look of the necklace. I am going to show you on a mask also, so that you have the proper idea. Very classy and traditional for parties. It's the best one. Hello Hadiza. Company name is CZ Makers, and this particular jewelries, these are CZ jewelries, just next to diamond jewelry. You need to text me, or you need to just message me on my messenger, so that we can communicate with you, and whatever the order you want to make with us, we will communicate with you with your requirements. Okay. This is the multicolor of that particular set. Right now this is very hello Olamide. For this set, Olamide, first of all, we are not doing retail, we do only wholesale, so you need to buy the wholesale only, and yes, we do accept PayPal payments. I am requesting all of you, those who liking the designs, just give us some comments, and you need to message us to our messenger with your WhatsApp number. You can just message us, we'll communicate with you. Whatever the requirement you are having, you need to tell us. And we do accept PayPal payments, we do accept Western Union, everything, whatever the convenient way you are having. This is rhodium with multicolor. Here is the look. We are having many more designs with us. I am going to show few today, and those who wants to do business, they need to message us on our messenger so that we can send you more designs. Here is the ruby of that particular set with rhodium. Hadiza, I am just expecting your WhatsApp number. Just message us on our messenger. I will communicate with you after this live. And Olamite, I am requesting you your WhatsApp number too. Sumita, if you have any requirement, you can send a message to me, to my messenger, to my WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number link is on the live when we are on the description section. You can just go there and you can message me. The most and very important color is full silver with white. Here is the full silver with white stones. It is just next to diamond. The look is just next to diamond. See the look. Each and every color is attractive, and of course our jewelries, we are always telling that we are making the durable quality. That is the first necessity and our first focus. All the jewelries are handcrafted. Again, I am telling you this, I told every time on my lives that we are having our heritage of this kind of jewelries. These are all handcrafted jewelries. So those who are having any requirements of this Caesar jewelries, handcrafted jewelries, they did need to just text us, and we will communicate with you after this live. One more set, beautifully handcrafted, very beautiful floral settings, and the modern look. You need to stretch it out and you need to fix it. I am showing you, wait, I am showing you. This is this much simple and the look is much more beautiful. It is much more beautiful after wearing. Hope it is clear, this jewelry. Hope it is clear to all of you. It's very simple to wear. Okay, showing you the next one. I'm expecting your comments, your reactions, that the designs, whatever I'm showing you, are you liking it or not? I'm showing you one of our very beautiful design. Here it is. It's a gorgeous party wear, or you can say a bridal. Here is a 3D work of like a bow. Here multicolor stone settings are there. Fully handcrafted jewelry, durable jewelry. Hello Rashidat, nice to see you here. This is the back, full gold plated, and here you can get this jewelry in, okay, this jewelry is available in only gold plated, full gold with multicolor stones. This is one of, you can say, the one of our gorgeous design, party wear bridal collection. Now I am going to show, okay, that particular set is having earrings, bangles, finger rings, full set for a bride. It is very appropriate. Hi Margaret, thank you so much for appreciating. If there is any requirement for jewelry in wholesale, if you having any requirement for business, you guys can contact us. We are here for business. We are manufacturers of zircon jewelry from India, from the eastern part of India. The state name is West Bengal, city name is Asansol. You can search CZ Makers Asansol at Google, you can get our address. You can search us on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. This is one of a light party wear. Beautiful color combinations. White, it is also rhodium plating. White stones with blue, these are the blue stones. Cuts are just like diamond. These jewelries are next to diamond. You need to understand first that what is CZ jewelries are. CZ jewelries are the replica of diamond jewelry. The cuts, the process of making these jewelries are just like diamond jewelry. Whatever the process of making a diamond jewelry, the 28th section, this zircon jewelry also needed that 28th section to make this kind of jewelry. It's not so much easy. Whoever wants to do business, they need to know these things also, the basic things, that what is the zircon jewelry, what is the process of making this, right? These are all handcrafted. The workers, the stones you are seeing here. Hi Jamila, thank you so much. They are putting the stones one by one by their hand. It's not a easy task. Really, it's not an easy task. When you some people really wants to see some factory videos, if you can go through my page, my Facebook page, you can get the factory videos. And those who want to start business with us, they can contact us on WhatsApp. I will show you that how difficult the work is to set the stones over these jewelries, then plating, then all. After that 28th section, this kind of beautiful pieces we are having with us. I'm wearing one. I'm still wearing it. It's so simple and very gorgeous. You can see I am also appreciating this design. Okay, so this design is having bracelet with it, a chain type bracelet, earring and finger ring. Hi Uma, hello, how are you doing? Hello Yasime, thank you so much for appreciating. Our company's name is CZ Makers, Mrs. Margaret. See, one of our most beautiful collection. See the look, see the jewelry first. It's a 3D work all over the jewelry. Here is a bow, and this is also a 3D work. If you can see it, there is a drop-ins. It's completely a modern look. And if I can show, I am showing you the earring. It is, see the earring. It's a full package of gorgeousness. Amazing set we are having. And this is also having a bracelet. All this full set is one of our gorgeous and very demanded for brides, those who wants to look very different and very beautiful. This kind of sets are, this is a finger ring with it, with the jewelry. So these ones are like a masterpiece for of our company. Masterpiece, you can see. These jewelries are very tough to make, very tough. I really expecting your comments. Who wants to do business or wants to sell this kind of jewelries? They need to contact us through our WhatsApp, or you just send your WhatsApp or drop your WhatsApp number to our messenger. We will communicate with you after this live. And those are still with me. I'm very happy and expecting you guys with me to the end. Going to show you the next one. See this. Stonework, pearls, everything with one particular set. This set is also available in colors, like here you can see emerald, and you can get this particular set in here blue color or full white, full gold. And see, these are how much flexible. These are fully flexible sets. This kind of chains we are using for the bag. This is rhodium plating. You can get the color option, of course. Whoever need the color options, they can get the colors of this kind of sets. One more very one of our best seller of 2019, this collar necklace. See this one. The earrings with it. It is a bangle. This is a finger ring, just like the set. Here you can get finger ring, earring. Most of our sets are with earring and bracelet, finger ring. It's a combo package. And few of our sets are also available in earrings and set only. So whatever the requirement of yours, you need to just let us know. Okay, this set, beautiful set. We are having very much more collections. Okay, so don't miss these collections. We are open. We are resumed right now. We start working. You need to place your requirement. You need to contact with us to know more. You need to contact with us to for more designs and all. We are having more than 8,000 designs with us, live designs ready to dispatch. Whatever the requirement you have, you need to contact us. Drop your WhatsApp numbers, or our WhatsApp number is mentioned there. You need to contact. We will communicate with you within 24 hours. Dispatches are started in India. Yes, Yasimi, we are doing deliveries in UK, US, all over the world. The deliveries are started with DHL, and yes, we are accepting PayPal payments. So whatever the requirement you have, you need to make your placing your order. You need to just communicate with me first. We have our website. You can register there. You can check the designs also. And I prefer if you can communicate with me, then I can much more give you good I can send you designs. I can if you can tell me your requirements, I can send you better designs according to your requirements. So I prefer if you can send me your contact details, email IDs, and WhatsApp number. So those who are still being with me, I am so glad. Thank you so much. Today's live I am going to end, and we'll come again with good designs and all. So expecting all of you, if you can share your WhatsApp numbers, so we can continue with you. Thank you so much, and bye bye.